Good everyone, my name is Graphics. Now we want to construct an hexagon without using the set square. We are going to using just our compass, right? Now the question goes like this. It is construct an hexagon having sides 40 millimeter, right? So what you do when you have something like this is you are going to draw the horizontal with a faint line, right? You draw the horizontal with a faint line. So we have here. You're going to pick a point. Let's say this is our point A, right? And the distance of that point A, as we said earlier, is 40 millimeter. So from 1 to 5 here is 40, and I'm going to taking it. Right? That's our AB. Now we know one thing for sure, that the inclined side of a hexagon is at an angle of what? 60 degrees. So we are not using our set square. If we were using our set square, we would have easily taken it to this point that it is, right? And we're going to draw our hexagon here. But what we are going to do is to construct angle 60 degree here. So how are we going to do that? I'll take my compass this way, right? I'll take my compass this way. I'll place it here at any given radius. Place it at this point, right? And I'm going to draw a semicircle this way. You can see that? Now with the same radius, that adjusting it, I'll place it at this point where the semicircle intersects the x-axis, which is this point here, and I'm going to strike an arc this way. That taking. So where that line strikes the arc, I will draw this point where it cuts the semicircle. I'm going to draw a line passing through it. So I'll be having this faint line. You can see that? So on this line, I am going to measure what I measure here, which is what? 40. Now from here, from A to B is 40. Then I'll just come here and I'm going to strike my arc here. So that will be my 40. And I am going to thicken it also. You can see that? So from here to here is 40. So now the next thing I'll do, what I did here, I'll also repeat it here. I will draw the semicircle again at this point at any given radius of my choice. I'll place it here at B. I'll draw another semicircle. You can see that? With the same radius, I'll place it at this point where it intersects the horizontal axis. I'm going to cut. See where it cuts the semicircle at this point. I'm going to draw a line passing through that point. So in doing that, I'll have this and this. So let's draw pink line. You can see that? So that is also 60 degrees. Now I'll measure from A to B also, because we say the sides of the hexagon should be 40. So every side should be what? 40. I'll come also here, I'll slash my arc. So where it meets, right, I am going to place it here on B, and I'm going to take in it. can see that? So this AB, I'll call it to be what? C. Is that taken? Now the next thing I'll do after I've gotten these two sides, I'm going to move my T-square to that point here. You can see that? I'm going to draw an horizontal line this way. I also draw an horizontal line here also. You can see that? So at this point, I can easily come here. Earlier, I drew a semicircle, right? I'll come here also. I'm going to draw another semicircle, right? I'll come here too. I'm going to draw another semicircle. Is that okay? Now, where the semicircle at this side, because my hexagon is going this direction. So where the semicircle cuts the horizontal axis here, I'll draw an arc, I'll place it there, and I'll cut here. Semicircle, right? So where it cuts it is here, I'll place my rule and draw my line from this point to pass through that point. Faint line first. You can see that. I will do the same thing here also, where it cuts the horizontal axis here. I will place it at this point. I also draw an arc to cut it here with the same radius. The radius I use to draw my semicircle, where it cut the horizontal line, I'll place my compass there. I will now cut the semicircle again. So I'll take my compass this way and passing through this point from here, passing through that point, I'll use my faint line. I'll use my faint line. Like that. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I knew earlier that my semicircle, my AB is 40, right? So with the AB, I'll place it here. I will cut this distance, right? And I also place it here. I also cut the distance. Now I'm going to thicken it. So in thickening it, this point to this point, like this, right? And in thickening it to this point, I have this. You can see that? So what I will just do is to join these 2 points here, from here to here. Either I use my set square or I simply use my what? My rule, right? So this is what we have. This is our construction of what? An hexagon. So it will simply mean that the distance from here to here is, from here to here, is 60 degrees, right? The angle from here to here is also what? 60 degrees, right? The angle from here to here is 60 degrees. The angle from here to here is what? 60 degrees. Oh, good. So all the inclined axis of the hexagon here is 60 degrees. Now, this is how you construct your hexagon with the help of what? Of your compass. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.